the day. See it sparkle and shine when all I've lived for becomes mine.
Did you hear those words? They were powerful. It's one of my favorite songs, This Is the Moment, from Jekyll and Hyde. Turn up the volume real loud when you listen to that one. It talks about taking advantage of a moment, being ready for it, reaching out and going for that star, and maybe you only hit the moon, but you're going to be successful. Let me share a story with you. I was a young man. I had the opportunity to take a position on the East Coast. I was a brand new father. It was a very big position, a big advancement in my career. But I'd be moving my family halfway across the country with a new child, taking her away from proud grandparents. I dwelled on that decision and chose to take that moment and take that job. And that positioned me well for the next 10 years of my career. Was it a hard decision? Was it an important decision? Was it a life-changing moment? Yes, on all counts. It was difficult for our family. It was a hard job for me, a difficult job for my wife, but we survived. We were better for it. It was a moment we took advantage of. Another moment in my life that I'd like to share with you, I was working with an environmental organization, and we had decided to give an award to an oil company. After some news hit the papers about something that had happened with that company, we made the decision to not present that award. That was a hard decision to make. I had to take that moment and decide what I was going to do about it. I informed the CEO that we would not be presenting that award. He called me one afternoon, a few days later. In fact, I was sitting in the bleachers watching my son play baseball. And he introduced himself and he said, "Bruce, I think you're making the wrong decision. That award's very important to us and we would like to receive it." I said, "No, sir, we cannot give you that award." His response was, "Well, this could be a career-ending decision for you, young man." I said, "It's a decision our board and I have made, and we have to stick with it because of the principles and the vision and the mission of our organization." Did it end my career? Absolutely not. Did I feel better about myself? You bet. Did it affect my career? A little bit. That's the power of a moment. We're all going to have those moments in our family, in our careers, in our life. Take advantage of those moments, but also make sure you've thought it through with your spouse, with your parents, with your coworkers, whoever might be that mentor, that person that cares about you, that knows you, and can help you make that decision.
The greatest moment